In the field of electronic manufacturing, with millimeter-level precision, smart warehousing is becoming the core engine of industrial upgrading. Hikrobot's STU Tote handling solution is reconstructing the warehousing ecosystem for consumer electronics industry. It precisely manages 10,000s of raw materials and 43,000 storage locations within a 2,560 square meters warehouse space. STUs operate within 1,100 mm ultra-narrow aisles, increasing storage density effectively. 10 STUs and dozens of industrial cameras operate 24/7 without interruption. With a handling speed of 3.5 meters per second, they realize ultra-fast goods-to-person delivery, achieving a throughput of 900 totes per hour. The robot control system seamlessly integrates with the WMS for real-time warehouse status monitoring. With intelligent dynamic optimization algorithms, STU is compatible with multiple tote sizes, supports mixed handling, and enables full process digitalization of material acceptance. From raw material inbound to final delivery, the STU, equipped with intelligent algorithms, drives fully automated and visualized control across every stage of electronic material warehousing. This significantly enhances storage efficiency, space utilization and inventory accuracy, making the STU the intelligent hub for electronic manufacturing warehousing.